Hello, welcome back to another amazing video with amazing designs of rustic farmhouse wooden touch tree designs. So these are very beautiful and amazing and creative designs of rustic touch and beautiful decorative with jute rope, burlap, and many more creativity in this video. In all types of many types of creativity in this one video, and you are here is the right place if you are searching different types of ornament, different types of magical tree making. And you can make it with your child, with your children, family time, get together and make it, gift it, and spread it, and whatever your style, the way of celebrating. So this is a very popular in western countries. So many western women are very creative. Really, I really appreciate them. They are really creative and their creativity is amazing. So we are here for you, for your appreciate your work and getting ideas from this video. You can make beautiful crafting ideas, beautiful collection like that. So viewers, we are celebrating these crafting ideas in one video. Add some cinnamon, add some cherries, and make some beautiful tree. So this type of a special type of tree, and you can make a triangle shape with burlap and jute craft. Take some wood. Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to show you very craftic and rustic ideas of trees this upcoming holiday season. Xmas trees is a creativity and a most important thing of decoration of this festival. So you can bring it home, you can make it at home with some rustic wooden piece and add cinnamons, add red flowers, cherries, red and green touch with rustic look. This is the perfect farmhouse cozy look. So in this video we show you the amazing and perfect design for everyone who is watching, who loves to do craft. So this crafting ideas, this rustic look, very beautiful and amazing Xmas tree ideas. So hope you enjoy that all ideas and designs. Hope you love that all collections. So how you feel about that? What do you think about that? These are very beautiful and interesting collection. So thank you for watching. We are trying to bring that amazing and unique designs. So these are very amazing and interesting design with rustic looks. Stay tuned till the end, and we are trying to bring the best ideas and best design for everyone who is watching. Thank you for your amazing response. Stay blessed and leave your comment in the comment section, and we will try to upload that amazing and rustic ideas and different types of designs. So viewers, what do you want to watch? We are trying to bring that amazing designs, either it's painting, either it's beautiful crafting, unique creative ideas. Today we are diving into the world of wooden, rustic and jute Xmas craft. Yes, jute craft. So hope you enjoy these designs, and we are giving you the best ideas of jute and rustic touch, wooden touch. The twine that somehow ends up every door in your house but finally gets a chance to be a holiday star. If you are looking for decorations that are cozy, natural and just a little bit quirky, stick around and don't worry. These crafts are budget friendly, which means you can still afford that extra holiday hot chocolate with extra marshmallow. Let's start with wooden ornaments. They are rustic, beautiful, and they don't shudder when your cat attacks the Xmas tree at 2 a.m. Grab your wood slices. Don't worry, you need to chop down your neighbor's tree. Craft stores have plenty. Paint little snowflakes, Santa faces, or even just try do not open until Xmas for that mysterious vibe. And if your painting skills are questionable, just say it's abstract art. Trust me, everyone will nod and pretend they get it. Now on to jute ornaments. Jute is basically like the jute tape of Xmas crafts. Wrap it around anything and boom, rustic chic. Take a plain bubble, wrap it in jute, and suddenly it looks like something John Gaines for sale at triple the price. Add a bow or a cinnamon sticks and people will think you hired a professional decorator. Meanwhile, you know the truth. You just wrestle with twine and a glue gun for 10 minutes. When you mix wood and jute, it's like peanut butter and jelly. They just work, tie little wooden stars together with jute twine, and you have got yourself a rustic garland. Add a little fake snow, and suddenly your living room looks like a Hallmark movie set. You can even make rustic candle holders. Just don't forget the candle, otherwise it's just a block of wood wearing twine. To really take it up a notch, throw in some pine cones, dried oranges, or cinnamon sticks. Not only do they look festive, but your house will smell amazing like Santa's kitchen. You can also wrap gifts in brown craft papers with jute bows. It looks so much rustic and classy. Just don't use duct tape instead of scotch tape. Trust me, Grandma won't appreciate rustling her gift open with a toolbox. Hope you understand. Hopefully you will enjoy this my talkies. And that is folk, and that's it. Folk, wooden, rustic, and jute crafts that make your home cozy, festive, and maybe a little farm check. So this Xmas, don't stress about spending big bucks at the store. Grab some twine, some wood slices, maybe bribe the kids into helping and have fun creating decorations with personality. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about laughter, memories, and maybe a little glue stick to your fingers. Thanks for watching, and may your Xmas be as rustic and warm as a jute-wrapped log cabin. Happy festival! If you enjoyed these my talkies, if you enjoyed the craft, tell me about my craft in comment section. And we are trying to bring the best and beauties ideas for you. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. We will try to upload the best and beautiful design. May your life fulfill with happiness, joyful, and best for everyone. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We try to bring the best and beautiful ideas for you. We try to bring the rustic collection for you and craftic ideas for you. So hope you enjoy these designs and ideas. Don't forget to subscribe. We try to upload best and best designs. May your home fulfilled with happiness, love, prosperity, and happiness. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Stay blessed. God bless you. Allah Hafiz. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of wooden, rustic, and jute Xmas craft. Yes, jute craft. So hope you enjoy these designs, and we are giving you the best ideas of jute and rustic touch, wooden touch, the twine that somehow ends up every door in your house. It finally gets a chance to be a holiday star. If you are looking for decorations that are cozy, natural, and just a little bit quirky, stick around and don't worry. These crafts are budget friendly, which means you can still afford that extra holiday hot chocolate with extra marshmallow. Let's start with wooden ornaments. They are rustic, beautiful, and they don't shatter when your cat attacks the Xmas tree at 2 a.m. Grab your wood slices. Don't worry, you need to chop down your neighbor's tree. Craft